Season 3, 5 books you can read in less than a day, or in this case, one I'm about to share with you in less than 5 minutes, that's going to transform your life and practice. Look at this. It's like epic. Are you excited? I'm pumped. You know why I'm pumped? I wrote it. It's a kiddo's book. Chiropractic Superhero Adventure Series, The Heroic Adventures of Kid Chiropractor, by me, Dr. Marcus Chacos. So anyone can write a small book and it can impact lives. I mean, look at the beautiful illustrations here. People with their imagination, running faster, jumping higher. Hey, by the way, does chiropractor help people run faster and jump higher? By strengthening their own body's natural resilience and, I wouldn't dare say immunity, would I? And then becoming better, healthier people. This is just such a beautiful book, and it can be read in minutes within the practice. People take it home to read it. But you can write books just like I've written books. And I want to share with you in the next video a profound principle called the small book phenomena. Please go watch that now. It's going to change your life. It's going to change your practice. It's going to create an extraordinary impact for you, for your impact. Oh my gosh, your life's going to be better. Go watch the video now.